Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingAnImpact.com. Today I'm answering your question. This is from Kyra James, and she's asking about traffic from Pinterest and it's not converting to leads or sales. So she says, I've been starting to use Pinterest to generate traffic, and although I have 500,000 monthly viewers and 25,000 engaged, I'm still not seeing any leads or sales. Am I missing something, or do I just need to be more patient? Such a good question. So here's the deal. I want you to know what metrics actually matter when it comes to Pinterest. And when you look at someone's Pinterest profile, you're going to see that monthly viewer number. It means jack diddly squat, actually. It's looking at like how many people are like seeing your content plus the other people's content that you're pinning. And so it could be someone else's content that's taking off. I don't want you to focus on that number. What I really want you to look at is, are people clicking on your pins? If they are, that's a good sign. Are they repinning? If they are, good sign. Are they repinning and then clicking through? So you want to actually look at your Google Analytics to see how much traffic is coming to your website. And then you have to actually look at your blog to see, is it optimized for Pinterest traffic? So I actually have a whole blog post about how to optimize your blog for Pinterest traffic. If you just go to rachelngom.com/Pinterest-traffic. And so figuring out, like, do you have an opt-in that's related to what you're pinning on Pinterest? And is it in a prominent spot? So there's a lot of different things to look at when you have those high monthly viewers, but you're not getting leads or sales from it. The number one thing is know what metrics matter. So know that Google Analytics is going to be the most important thing, and monthly viewers really don't mean jack diddly squat. So I hope that helps. If you haven't gone through some of my Pinterest training, make sure to go to freepinterestclass.com and you can register for my free Pinterest class, and I'll talk to you later.